Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add keyboard shortcuts in iOS. For example, double tapping a letter would say an email, replace it. So the first thing you need to do is open settings and go into general, go down, press keyboard, press text replacement, tap the plus and then type in the phrase. So let's do an email, dummy email at outlook.com. The shortcut, let's do $, save, and then get out of the app. Then open an app like Notes and type in the shortcut and press space and it should show you the phrase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.